sir. ING.
इनिशिएटिव घंटे पढ़ाई की सर।
अब है हिंदुस्तानी।
कितना नाम है?
Warren Buffett.
Warren Buffett.
You are right. And your choices are.
We are Accurate Group of Institutions in Greater Noida. We started in 2006 with a few courses. Now we've been increasing courses day by day. We have been into management education, engineering and architecture recently.
I came here last year during the promotion of Ferrari ki Sawari. Sorry, Shireen Farhad ki to nikal padi with Farah Khan. I came to this office, I sat, I went and met the students. I found the students extremely bright.
We are into the 7th year of our inception. Since the beginning, we have been conferred with a lot of awards. We have been recently conferred with the 3rd Asia's Best Preschool Award, which is an overall achievement award for the management education and engineering educations, both. It is that kind of an achievement.
There are some institutes that they are just institutes and we know how they work. But the students, you can tell from interacting with the students, there is a certain brightness about them, and the level from the questions that we have formulated and the research team has formulated, I can see that there are no easy handouts over here for students. It's tough. It's really tough, and I feel that if you have the confidence to ask students this level of question, means that you have confidence in the students.
This quiz entirely revolves around the management education. इसका basic purpose करने का सिर्फ इतना था, so a student comes out with he's more confident, he's more creative, his attitude change, he's working more on the aptitude part also, the comm skills and everything.
Accurate has given me a platform to showcase my skills and my abilities in front of everyone. With this program of Kaun Banega Accuratian, the Accurate has given me an opportunity to showcase my talent over here.
ये क्विज शो हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ तो लगभग 28 नवंबर के आसपास से, और ये आज चल रहा है. आज मैं एक फाइनलिस्ट हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. मैं अपने पूरे एक्यूरेट को और अपने फैकल्टीज को, स्पेशली रिपुदमन गौर सर को, उन्हें थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ, उन्हें अपने ग्रेटिट्यूड देना चाहता हूँ.
बोमन जी को हम सब जानते हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं एजुकेशन से जुड़े हुए रहे हैं. भले ही वो एक डॉक्टर का रोल था मुन्ना भाई MBBS के लिए, या वो एक वायरस का रोल था 3 इडियट्स में. सो उनकी पर्सनालिटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने सोचा कि शायद वो सबसे ज्यादा इंटेलेक्चुअल लगेंगे इस क्विज को होस्ट करते हुए. हमने एक स्पेशल राउंड रखा है विच इज कॉल्ड द वायरस माइंड ट्विस्टर राउंड, which we have done for his honor only. So that has little tricky questions followed by the main grand finale round, which is the accurated round, which Bowman ji will host it.
Everybody thinks I'm an academician because I have been a principal in a couple of films. Not so. I have always been a backbencher. But today I'm sitting in a suit and trying to behave like I'm a very learned person. But having said that, I love to encourage youngsters. They are the future of the country.
I came here last year and I got an experience like an environment which helped me a lot to build my career. Because I have got a job from Accurate Institute of Management and Technology. I am doing a job. I also got a job in RBS, Royal Bank of Scotland, from this college, and also they helped me to build my career like KBA, because KBA is a competition Kaun Banega Accuratian, and from Kaun Banega Accuratian I have got a knowledge through the world, like GK, general knowledge, general awareness, and also from politics, cinema. So that's helped me a lot.
Nothing works like encouragement. It is not about a cash prize eventually, it's not about a car. But it's also encouraging, it also remains a memory. These kids will go out there in the big bad world and they'll make a name for themselves, and they'll buy themselves cars, and they'll buy themselves swanky long limousines. But this car will remain special for that student because it is his first. So it is a memory more than just an incentive. It is an encouragement.
I remember day when I joined Accurate Institute as a student of PGDM 2011-13, and their academic department, their faculty, the director, Sir always are supportive here, and I have a very good experience to the being a part of Accurate. Now Accurate has started a new competition, Kaun Banega Accurate, which provided us the knowledge of corporate affairs apart from our academic. It's a very good experience to being the part of it.
Gabbar Singh said something fantastic. He may have been a bad man, but he gave us a great lesson in life. He said, "Jo dar gaya, samjho mar gaya." Don't be afraid of anyone. And second is, understand that if you, these are the words of the great Mr. Narayan Murthy, who I had interviewed, that if you want to be honest, you have to be prepared to understand that you will have to work 4 times as hard, and it will take 4 times as long to be successful. But if each one of you decide that you